Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 Cbse Maths Relation and Function exercise 1.3 question number 7. Let's see the question. Consider f. F is a function from R to R, real numbers to real numbers, given by f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. Show that f is invertible. So f is invertible means f as a inverse. We need to show that f as a inverse. F as a inverse means it should satisfy both one-to-one function and onto function. If it is both one-to-one and onto function, we can say it as a inverse, and we also need to find the inverse of f. Now, to show that it is a one-to-one and onto, you know the procedure that it should have for one-to-one x1 is equal to x2. So let us start with f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Here we know that f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 is equal to 4x1 plus 3 is equal to 4x2 plus 3. Here plus 3 get cancelled. 4x1 is equal to 4x2. Both 4 get cancelled. Now we got x1 is equal to x2. As x1 is equal to x2, therefore f is a one-to-one function. F as one-to-one function. Now we have found one-to-one function. Let us go to onto function. To prove onto function, let f of x is equal to y. Yeah, I have taken f of x to be y. So the given function is y is equal to 4x plus 3. We need to write this to be x is equal to. So bring 4x is equal to, bringing 3 to that side, y minus 3. I have just changed the old place, then bringing 3 to the side. Now x is equal to y minus 3 by 4. There is no any condition. If you substitute any value of y, we get a value of x. That means we know that the function here is one-to-one function. So for every number there is a number. According to this, we have found this to be a one-to-one function. So for all the value of x, you will have a value of y, or for all the value of y, we will have a value of x. So there is no any condition. If y is in the denominator, we know that it should not be equal to 0. So 0 is not there in it. But in this case, we can have any value. For every value of y, we get a value of x. So it is a onto function. Here the domain, codomain is equal to range. As x is a real number for every y value. Because the codomain is a real number, so it can be any value. For you will get a every if you substitute every number of real number, will get a value for every value of y. Therefore f is onto function. So now it is bijective. We have found f is bijective. If it is bijective, it is invertible. So they have asked us to find whether it is invertible. Yes, we have found it to be invertible. They have asked us to find the inverse of x, inverse of f. Inverse of f is nothing but f inverse y we need to find. We know that f of x is equal to y. If I bring x to this side, it comes as inverse. F inverse x is equal to, f inverse y is equal to x. So f of x is equal to y means if y comes to the bracket, it becomes f inverse y is equal to x. So x value, we know that x is equal to this. So f inverse of y is equal to y minus 3 by 4. This is the inverse of f. That's all with the sum. Thank you.